Woman calls 12 after a tax bill left her outraged. Edna Gillis said she was removed from a real estate tax relief program, but had no idea why. On your side, investigator Jasmine Turner got answers from the city. What did you find out, Jasmine?
Well, Kurt, Edna Gillis received a single bill that was 3 times the amount she pays in a year for real estate taxes. So we reached out to City Hall, and now Richmond is changing how they communicate with some taxpayers.
I'm just want to make sure she has a roof over her head. I don't want anybody to come take her house and put her out on the street.
For at least 50 years, Edna Gillis has been residing in South Richmond.
418 for real estate tax. For a whole year. 12 months. For 12 months.
Living on a fixed income for the last 20 years, her real estate taxes have been discounted because of the City of Richmond's tax relief for the elderly and disabled program. The last few years, her bill has been split into 2 payments of $209. Gillis says she filled out what she thought were forms to reapply in November 2020 and made the first 2021 payment in January.
I didn't get a bill for June to pay the bill in June.
Mama checked the mailbox every single day. All her bills are put on the table where she sits there and writes them out.
Renee Couvray feared something was wrong. Then a bill came in August.
I don't want to say what my reaction was or what I said. It was $6,671.
Couvray says calling for help didn't lead to a clear answer.
I just went ahead and paid it.
But this mother and daughter want to make sure Gillis can get back into the relief program and not have to pay $1,600 again.
They sent you a form usually around November.
Yeah.
And did they send you one this past November?
Yeah, I signed my name and mail it back.
Turns out Gillis was sent and signed the wrong form.
The program is a 3-year program. Ms. Gillis was sent a recertification form. However, Ms. Gillis was in her 4th year, so she should have been sent an application, okay, as like a renewal.
We reached out to the city's finance department, sitting down with Valerie Weatherless, who says Ms. Gillis was taken out of the program by mistake, an error by the city. Once they figured out what happened, Gillis was sent the correct forms and returned them.
We also sent her a refund for the taxes that she had paid.
In 2021, 2,100 people were enrolled in the tax relief program. To be eligible, you have to be 65 or older, living in your own home, making less than $60,000 a year with less than $350,000 in assets.
You could save anywhere from 25% to 100% on your real estate taxes.
January 1st through the end of March, Weatherless says applications will open for 2022 relief. And after what Ms. Gillis went through, the finance department is making changes.
So what we're going to do is put on the application year 1 of 3. So when they receive the recert for the 2nd year, we'll put 2 of 3, and then the last is 3 of 3. That will let you know. And then we will also indicate on the correspondence that we're sending to them, this is your last year, your 3rd year. So next year you receive an application.
Couvray is glad her mother's roof is still over her head.
I'm happy because I don't have extra money to be given the city.
And they want their situation to be a reminder for other families with elderly loved ones.
Check on them. Check on their paperwork. Make sure the paperwork is right. If it's not right, call the city. Call somebody. Call your congressperson. Call your city council person. Call 12 on your side.
Applications for tax relief have to be submitted via paper, but all the information for you is on NBC12.com. And stay tuned. We do hope to have the city's finance office in our Call 12 Center in January when that application period opens for 2022, helping folks navigate through the process. On your side, Jasmine Turner, NBC 12.